Hi dear students, today we will start new chapter unit 5 which is named as statistics. Okay, so already in 10th level we have studied some central tendency of data such as mean, okay, and also we studied mean, median, mode. Now we are going to study a measure of dispersion of data. Okay, so there are some measure of dispersion of data through which we can calculate. So first is the range, second the mean deviation from mean, median, and third is the standard deviation, and the fourth is the variance. So these are the some measure of dispersions. Okay, the first one is the range, second the mean deviation from first mean, and the mean deviation from median, and third is the standard deviation, and fourth the variance. ओके, तर हे जे चार आहेत ते मेजर ऑफ डिस्पर्शन म्हणजे तुमचा डेटा कसा व्हॅरी होतो तो मेजर करण्यासाठी काही मेथड्स आहेत, ते मेथड्स आपण बघणार आहोत. तर आपल्याला ह्या सिलेबसमध्ये हे टोटल चार मेजर ऑफ डिस्पर्शन शिकायचे. त्यामधले फर्स्ट आपण द रेंज सुरुवात करणार आहोत. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट मेजर ऑफ डिस्पर्शन विच इज व्हॉट द रेंज. yes so first we will see the range for ungrouped data. Okay, so I will explain ungrouped data means what. The data of such type which are not in the form of group. Okay, म्हणजेच थोडक्यात ते फक्त काय असतील, दे आर रँडमली सम नंबर्स. ओके, सो दॅट इज व्हॉट अनग्रुप्ड. अनग्रुप्ड म्हणजे काय, ग्रुप्ड डेटा कसा असतो, विद इन रेंज. फॉर एक्झाम्पल 0 to 5, 5 to 10. ओके, so these are what grouped data, 0 to 5, 5 to 10, and so on. Now we are taking what, just randomly some data, so that is what ungrouped. So first we will see the formula for ungrouped data. काय आहे फॉर्म्युला, द रेंज इज द डिफरन्स बिटवीन द हायेस्ट अँड लोवेस्ट व्हॅल्यूज इन द सेट ऑफ डेटा. म्हणजे जो काही तुम्हाला डेटा दिलेला आहे त्याच्यामधला जो डिफरन्स आहे, कशामधला, हायेस्ट आणि लोएस्ट व्हॅल्यू मधली जी डिफरन्स आहे ती डिफरन्स म्हणजेच काय असतो, रेंज ऑफ डेटा. Okay, so let L is equal to largest value of observation in given set of data, and S is equal to smallest value of the observation in the given set of data. म्हणजे L हा लार्जेस्ट व्हॅल्यू जर का आपण घेतला दिलेला डेटा मधला आणि S हा स्मॉलेस्ट व्हॅल्यू घेतला, तर रेंजची डेफिनेशन काय, difference means what, subtraction of what, largest value minus smallest value. Okay, so largest value we have denoted by L and smallest value we have denoted by S. So range is nothing but L minus S. So this is the formula to obtain range of ungrouped data. Okay, so for example हा डेटा दिलेला आहे तुम्हाला. येस, इट इज अनग्रुप्ड डेटा. अनग्रुप्ड म्हणजे काय, तो जो दिलेला डेटा आहे तो ग्रुपमध्ये नाही आहे, म्हणजे रेंजमध्ये नाही आहे. ओके, तो कोणत्या फॉर्ममध्ये, इट इज जस्ट रँडम सम नंबर्स. ओके, सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज अनग्रुप्ड डेटा. येस, लक्षात येते का बघा सगळ्यांना. सो व्हॉट इज द फॉर्म्युला. येस, so L is the what, L is the लार्जेस्ट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ द ऑब्झर्वेशन इन द गिवन सेट ऑफ डेटा. बघा ह्याच्यामधला लार्जेस्ट व्हॅल्यू काय येतोय 8, 3, 5, 12 to 15, 17. So what will be the largest value from this given set of observation? Yes, it is obviously 17. Okay. Now we'll calculate smallest value of the observation in given set of data. So काय येतोय बघा. येस, परत स्मॉलेस्ट व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायची आपल्याला 8, 3, 5, 12, 2, 15, 17. So what will be the smallest? 2 will be the smallest. So therefore S is what? 2. Yes. So range. What is the formula for range? It is simply L minus S. Okay. So what is the value of L? Yes, it is the 17. What is the value of S? S is the 2. Okay. So range value काय आली? Range is nothing but L minus S, which is what? 15. Okay. So therefore 15 is the range for given set of observation of data. Yes. सो लक्षात येते. अशा प्रकारे आपण दिलेल्या डेटासाठी रेंज कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतो. ओके. नाउ वी विल सी द नेक्स्ट. सो नाउ वी विल सी रेंज फॉर ग्रुप्ड डेटा. For grouped data, or it is called as continuous frequency distribution. Okay. The range is the difference between the upper limit of highest class and the lower limit of lowest class. म्हणजे काय, दिलेल्या ग्रुप्ड डेटासाठी येस किंवा कंटिन्युअस फ्रिक्वेन्सी डिस्ट्रीब्युशन साठी रेंज काय असतो, जो हायेस्ट क्लास आहे त्याच्यामधला अप्पर लिमिट मायनस lower limit of lowest class. Yes. So formula is given by this. Range is equal to upper limit of highest class minus lower limit of lowest class. Okay. So for example, इथं ग्रुप्ड डेटा घेतलाय आपण. येस. सो हिअर 0 to 10 मध्ये 3 आहे, 10 to 20 मध्ये 5 आहे, 20 to 30 मध्ये 9 आहे आणि 30 to 40 मध्ये 8 आहे फ्रिक्वेन्सी डिस्ट्रीब्युशन. तर आपल्याला फक्त क्लास बघायचा आहे. ओके. सो आपण परत त्या सिम्बॉलनं डिनोट करूया. अप्पर लिमिट ऑफ एल इज इक्वल टू अप्पर लिमिट ऑफ हायेस्ट क्लास. ओके. सो व्हॉट इज द हायेस्ट क्लास? हायेस्ट क्लास काय आहे बघा इथं 30, 40, 30 to 40. So highest class मधला upper limit. Upper limit means what? This 40. Okay. So therefore L is what? 40. Next, S is equal to, yes, it is what? Lower limit of lowest class. Yes. So what is lowest limit? 0 to 10. Yes. So lowest limit मधला lowest class काय आहे? It is 0. So S is equal to what? Yes, it is 0. So therefore range, what is the formula for range? Upper limit of highest class means L minus lower limit of lowest class. It is what? S. So therefore it is what? 40 minus 0. So therefore range किती येतो इथं? It is 40. So in this way we can calculate range of data for ungrouped and grouped data. Yes. Next point from the range, it is what? Coefficient of range. Okay. So for given data we can calculate coefficient of range. Yes. So what is the formula? Yes, it is given by coefficient of range is equal to रेंज जे काय आपण रेंज कॅल्क्युलेट केलंय त्याची व्हॅल्यू रेंजचं फॉर्म्युला काय येस रेंज इज नथिंग बट एल मायनस एस ओके सो रेंज अपॉन sum of highest and lowest value. So what is the highest value? It is denoted by L. And what is lowest value? It is denoted by S. Okay. So therefore coefficient of range म्हणजे काय येईल रेंजची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे एल मायनस एस अँड सम ऑफ हायेस्ट अँड लोएस्ट व्हॅल्यू व्हॉट इज हायेस्ट व्हॅल्यू एल अँड व्हॉट इज लोएस्ट व्हॅल्यू एस त्या दोघांची ॲडिशन सो सिम्पली कोएफिशियंट ऑफ रेंज is given by L minus S upon L plus S. Okay. So in above example, yes, you can find coefficient of range. Yes. So here in this example, what is the value of L? It is 40 and value of L is 40 and value of S is 0. Okay. So in above example, coefficient of range is given by yes L is equal to 40 and S is equal to 0. So the coefficient of range is equal to L minus S. So what is the value of L? It is 40 minus S is what? 0 upon 40 plus 0. So it is what? It is simply 40 minus 0 म्हणजे काय येईल 40 and 40 plus 0 40. So the value is what? 1. So in above example, coefficient of range it is what? 1. Okay. So in this way you can calculate coefficient of range for the given data. Yes. Example first. Find the range and coefficient of range of the following data. So first example they have given 5, 7, 9, 13, 11, 5, 3. तर ह्या डेटासाठी आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करायचंय रेंज आणि कोएफिशियंट ऑफ रेंज सुरुवातीला टाइप कोणता आहे तो ओळखायचा येस इट इज व्हॉट इट इज द ungrouped type of data. Yes. So what means ungrouped? Yes. Yes. Means what? The given data in random form. They have not in the form of group. Yes. So सुरुवातीला आपण दिलेला set of data घेऊया. Let the given set of data consider the given set of data 5, 7, 9, 13, 11, 5, 3. सो याच्यामध्ये कोणते कोणते व्हॅल्यू लागणार आहेत आपल्याला येस एल इज व्हॉट एल इज नथिंग बट लार्जेस्ट व्हॅल्यू ओके from the given set of observation. So you can observe that in this data, yes, what is the largest value? 13 is the largest value and S is nothing but smallest value. Yes. So in this set of data, yes, you can observe that this 3 is the smallest value. So therefore S is 3. So what is range? Formula of range. Yes, range कसं घेतो आपण? Range is equal to L minus S. Okay. So what is L? It is 13 minus S. S is what? It is 3. So therefore 13 minus 3 it is what? 10 So range is 10 for the given set of data. Yes. Now coefficient of range. The coefficient of range, what is the formula? Yes, it is L minus S upon L plus S. So already we have calculated L minus S. Again we can write it. L is what? 13 minus 3 upon 13 plus 3. So it is what? Yes, it is 10 upon 26. Okay. So if you calculated the value in calculator, so it will be what? 0.625. So therefore, coefficient of range for given set of data, Kyle 0.625. Yes. So it is what? The coefficient of range and range for ungrouped data. Next example, from the following data, calculate range and coefficient of range. So this is the marks, okay, and here number of students. So marks are 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, and number of students is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So this is the data of the form frequency distribution. Okay. So this is called as data of the form frequency distribution because these are the marks and these following are the number of students having these marks. Okay. So here again we have to calculate range. So from the given data, we will calculate what? The largest value. Yes. So what is the largest value? L is largest value in the given set of observation of data. So it will be what? Yes, it is the 55. Yes. Next, S is the smallest value. So it will be what? Yes, it is 5. So therefore, what is range? Range is equal to L minus S. So L ची value किती आहे बघा? L is 55 minus what is S? S is 5. So L is, what is the value of range? Range is 55 minus 5. So it will be what? 50. Yes. Next, we will calculate coefficient of range. Yes. So what is the coefficient of range? Yes, the formula is L minus S upon L plus S. Okay. So what is L minus S? It is 55 minus 5 upon L plus S. L is 55 and S is 5. So it is 55 plus 5. So it is what? 50 upon 60. So it is not, it is 50 upon 60 means Kyle 5 upon 6. Yes. So 5 upon 6. Yes. The value of 5 upon 6 is given by 0.833. Okay. You can calculate this value in Calci also. Yes. So therefore, the coefficient of range for given data is 0.833. Yes. So in this way, you can calculate range and coefficient of range for the given frequency distribution. Next example, from the following given data, calculate range and coefficient of range. So you can observe that this data is what? Yes, it is of the form of grouped data. Okay, because you can observe that age is in between 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. म्हणजे हा जो दिलेला डेटा आहे तो कोणत्या फॉर्म मध्ये ग्रुप फॉर्म मध्ये, म्हणजे तो ग्रुप केलेला आहे, प्रत्येक जो रेंज आहे तो काय केलेला आहे, ग्रुप केलेला आहे. सो देअरफॉर इट इज व्हॉट, इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज grouped data. Yes, so in this case we can calculate L is largest value. So L is equal to, what is largest value? Yes, largest value of highest class, or you can say that upper limit of highest class. Okay, so this is what highest class. Yes, and what is the upper limit of highest class? It is 60. Therefore this is what, 60. S is lower limit of lowest class. Okay, here you can call as largest value. Instead of largest value you can say it is what, upper limit. Yes, so it will be better, upper limit of highest class, and S is what, lower limit of lowest class. So S is equal to, Kyle baga, lower limit of lowest class. Yes, it is what, 0 to 10. So what is lower limit of lowest class? It is 0. So therefore what is range? Range is L minus S. So therefore it will be what, 60 minus 0. So 60 minus 0 is 60. Therefore range is 60. Yes. What is coefficient of range? Coefficient of range, yes, it is given by L minus S upon L plus S. But here value of L is 60 and value of S is 0. So therefore it is what, 60 minus 0, and L plus L will be 60. So this value is what, 60 upon 60. So Kyle, coefficient of range mark. Yes, coefficient of range, yes, it is 1. So therefore for given set of grouped data, the coefficient of range, yes, it is what, it is 1. Yes, so in this way you can calculate the coefficient of range and range for given grouped data. Okay, so now here we will stop, and in next lecture we will see next point. Thank you.